Hello friends, how are you? I am Katerina Perez. I hope you are doing well. This is a quick review about what happened with my doll that I made with cold porcelain recipe almost 7 years ago. So there is a good news and there is one bad news and there is one advice, okay, for you. So first of all, I want to share that the face you can see here is really in very good condition. See, this is the face, shining, smooth, nice and clean. The same with the hair. You can see here the hair is okay. Now I will show you what happened with the body. You can see that the body is broken, but also you can notice that the coverage of the body is a very thin layer, you see. So my advice for this problem is that try to work with a very thin structure, so you can use more cold porcelain to do a thick layer especially for the skin of the body, so you don't have this type of problems. The same happened with the legs. You can see it broken again because it was a thin layer, and this is the result. And why I use a thin layer? Because my structure, you can see also here, especially in the chest, the body, the structure of my doll was already in the proportion for my doll. So it didn't allow me to do a thick layer, because otherwise the doll will be with a shape with no proportion, you know. So my advice is that to use only a structure like this, okay. So in this way you can add a very more thick layer to create the muscles of the body, okay. This is a position of a dancer, but this is the idea. In this case, my doll already I created the muscles, or the muscles with aluminum foil, so I have not a chance to do a thick layer, and this is the result. So I want to show you also in the back. The same happened, you see, in the back. The back is the worst part, but the skirt is okay. The legs in the back also are broken. Hair okay. And you see arms, where the arms had more thick layer, are okay. You can see also the hands, where I use only cold porcelain without any structure inside. It keep the shape and it's not broken, no shrink. But the problem is that it's shrinking when the layer is thin, and that is my conclusion. For the face, I am so happy, because now for the next time I know that I have to correct that part in my works in order to have a more durable figures. So that's all for now, friends. I hope you are doing well. If you have any question, please let me know, comment below, and share this video if you like it. That's all for now. Bye. God bless you.